Let's think about Lab03. Driver03 is given in the packet, but not inside of the shellcode. If you see here, Driver03 is doing the two things. One is scrambling the array, then after that sort. First, the sorted array is given, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 through 9. Then you're supposed to scramble the array first. There are many ways. Then one of the popular way is you are going to just randomly choose the index, the location, randomly choose two values and swap. Then you can also randomly choose two values again, like you can choose again what you did, then swap. Then you can randomly choose two values in the array, then swap. If you do this way many times, you are going to see the array is scrambled. Then you are going to print the scrambled one. Then you are going to sort again, so show the sorted one. So that is your Lab03. So to do this one, what you're supposed to make is you have to make print method. Our print method will print everything in one line. So you are going to see easily. You don't have to put a comma. Then you are going to make scramble method. After you call the scramble method, you are gonna have like scrambled array like this. Then you are going to make the sort method. So you can just change a little bit from the Lab02 sort method. Then you are going to see the array is sorted again. So finally, you see in the output window is this result. One more thing you need to remember is it's integer type array. So you have to change everything to every double type array now becomes integer type array. Double type value now becomes integer type value. Like a temp in the swap method becomes double. Becomes integer, not a double. So remember this one, then how can I start? There's nothing. So I'm going to make the new class driver03. But what I did, I just copied it from the packet. So I just need to delete the line numbers. If you type it, that's better. Oh, I need to close one more. Then look at this. Very first thing I have to do is change the name. As a driver03. Then I'm going to, this one will not compile because it does not know what to print, what to scramble, what to sort. One thing I know is a print, scramble, sort will be void method because we do not store or print. So I can make method header public. This one is just a driver, so every method should be static method, static void, and print. It is getting one array, that means I need to pass integer type array as an argument. The second method is public static void scramble. Same thing, integer type. For my convenience, I did not change the array name. Then last method I need to make is public static void sort. Then if you need to make more method for sort, you can make it or copy and paste. Now, if I have those things, because it's a void method, I don't need to write anything at first glance. So I'm going to now compile to save this code. Yep, I made it. Then only scramble I would like to show. Print. I'm going to cut when I modify the video. Okay, currently I just finished the print method, but I do not show you. This is why it has a plus sign. Then if I run it, you are going to see here, oh, my print is now working correctly. First time print, the regular array, then after scrambled, then after sort. Now I'm going to start to scramble. I said I'm going to choose, select two random integers, two random indexes in this, then swap them, swap the values. So if you do this one multiple times, what can be a good number to multiple times? Any number. In this case, I'm going to just use array length times. Because if array is too big, like 10,000, if I do only 10 times, it does not really make sense. But if I have 10,000 values, then if I do randoming and swapping like 10,000 times, it will be scrambled enough. Like 10 items, if I do 10 times, it will be scrambled enough. That's why I just use array length. So it depends on the array size, it will change the number of swapping. So I need a for loop. I'm gonna use X because it's for counting. And in the for loop, what I need to do is select two random position. So I'm going to choose the two random position, int A, maxed out random. If I have 10 items, maxed out random times 10 because 0 through 9. If I have 10,000 items, maxed out random times 10,000. So I'm going to use array length again. Then int B. Array length again. Oh, I do not like to write the both lines exact same. In that case, you can make another helper method, like such as instead of writing those two like this way, you can say like a random position, then pass array length to a new method, then it will also do that. It does not matter. You can practice how to make each one as the smallest size of each method. And try to make the more methods. That's a good habit and good practice for the modular design in Lab 2 and Lab 3. Then I'm going to swap it in the array. If I already made the swap method, I can pass it. If I didn't make it, I can just write down the swap things like, because it's an integer type array, temp is int now. Array A. Now array A has array B. Then array B has temp. So I'm going to check up to here if the scrambled is correctly done. So I'm going to print it. Then if you look at here, just focus the first and second line. If you want to see just one by one, you can comment in the main method. Then you can see only so far what you did up to now. So now I have original array, then scrambled array. Each time my array is scrambled. And one more thing you need to make sure is every value should be there. You should not lose any value. You should not have any repetition in the value. Then this is done. Then sort is yours.